Hello traders, with you Hastur. I'm happy to see everyone here. Let's start from our previous analysis. It was USDCHF. Like I said before, price wants to close fully this imbalance and test this volume. As you can see, we have exactly here a reaction, and price already closed. Yes, price already closed this equal highs. Let's check our risk reward. Like I said, we need confirmation on 3 minutes. Yeah, and that moment when price closed this imbalance, grab this all liquidity, we have break of market structure. It's our confirmation on 3-minute time frame. As you can see here, it's our demand zone, and that was exactly your first entry. With risk reward $1.22, pretty good. Let's check what happened after. Yeah, okay, we as you can see here, that's our multi breakout market structure here. This is our new demand. Price already mitigated this order block. Nice reaction. That was another entry. Also, if you missed even this entry, I will show you another entry. Break of market structure on 4-minute time frame. Yeah, let's mark that is 5 minutes. Here we have demand. Let's mark that is our demand. Let's check OTE. Plus horizontal level. Again, we can try to enter from this zone, but our stop loss will be till this low. Why? Because this our premium zone. And our risk reward will be 9.17, also pretty good. Yeah, USDCHF, that's it, and I prepared also for you a little bit more. Let's go to another pair. Almost the same situation. Order flow works here. Grab this liquidity, also rejection block inside of supply zone. I expected also a reversal from 0.5 zone of Fibonacci level. We have here imbalance on a 4-hour time frame. Price want to close this imbalance. This exactly smart money trap for smart money traders. We grab this liquidity, and after it we can expect reversal on the same lower time frame from 1 or 3 minutes, and our take profit will be till this zone, till this volume. It's a first TP and second TP for to make a new low. Let's take another example. Euro British pound. As you can see here, we have monthly, week, we can expect it. Yes, this week they grab this liquidity. We can expect reversal from 0.5 zone, and now also here our monthly boss. This our market structure shift. And this will be exactly our monthly demand. What I expected here, price came to mitigate our demand zone, or this is like global scenario. But now what I see now, as you notice, we between support and resistance zone, but we can take local entry. I expected after this impulse price came to mitigate our demand zone. We already have hidden convergence, some liquidity. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, drop the like, give the comment, and have a profitable day.